Hi friends, look at this bright and cheerful spring motif, perfect for placemat or table decor. This is a quick and fun project and it is very beginner friendly. I will show you how to make this lovely motif step by step with your scrap yarns. Let us get started. We will start with the magic circle. Then we are going to make 10 double crochet in the magic circle. Instead of the first double crochet, I am going to make chain 3. Then I am going to make 9 more double crochet. So yarn over hook, insert the hook in the ring and bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Then you can repeat that one to make the double crochet. And slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 we made. So the first round is completed. Now we are going to start the round 2. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same space. Then make chain 1, go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. So repeat that one, chain 1, single crochet. This end of round 2. Now I am going to attach my next color to one of the chain 1 spaces. I am going to make a chain 3 and one more double crochet. Then chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space and I am going to make a 2 double crochet and a chain 1. Now we finished the round 3. I am going for the round 4. Here I will show you a new method to start a double crochet instead of chaining 3. So I have the loop on my hook, yarn over hook, insert the hook between these 2 double crochet. Here we are going to make a double crochet. So just like a regular double crochet, right? That's a standing double crochet. Then 2 chains and one more double crochet in the same space. Now I am going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the next space between the 2 double crochets. We are not working on this chain 1 spaces, only between the 2 double crochets. Finish this round. In the next round we are going to make a single crochet between the 2 clusters. So I have my loop on the hook, making a single crochet. Then I'm going to make chain 2, then 5 double crochets in the chain 2 space between the double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to bring this loop a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to insert my hook. Popcorn stitch. We are going to repeat this one to finish this round. You can pause the video right here and go back to see how we made the popcorn stitches. Now I finished that round and looks like this. Now we are going to do the next round. I want to frame these petals, so I'm going to make a standing double crochet in one of the chain 2 spaces. Then I'm going to make a half double crochet. Now I'm going to do a single crochet, but not here. I'm going to put my hook in this space and bring it up a little taller, then make a single crochet. That's, I don't know what is it called. It can be an extended single crochet or a dropped one. So next next chain 2 space, I'm going to make a half double crochet. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through all the 3 loops all at once. Then make 2 double crochets. Then I am going to make chain 3. From here I'm going to insert my hook in the first chain, then bring up a loop and do a slip stitch through the last chain. Then in the next chain 2 spaces we are going to make a 2 double crochet and a half double crochet, then the single crochet, like 1 row below. Now repeat the pattern like a half double crochet, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, then chain 3, make a slip stitch into the first chain, then again 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and repeat this pattern all around. Now we are finishing up. This is where we begin. So this is a half double crochet, 2 double crochet, then chain 3, and we make a slip stitch into the first chain. Here we have only one double crochet, so we are going to make one more double crochet in there, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that initial double crochet, and we are done. You can cut the yarn and weave in. Here is the finished spring placemat. If you want to join several motifs together to make a table runner, you can do that. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Crochet Smash for more crochet videos.